I'll write a song about something. I just know it's all about the timing. Going EDM by far. 808 saw bass to the floor. I might add some orchestral touches, a voice that's voluptuous, rhyming, contagious. Add some hip hop on the rocks. Funk, clunk, bouncing the thing. We're in it for a ride. Please buckle seatbelts, we'll give demonstration how to jump off this plane, if ever that would entertain. Buckle in the jet. We're passing sound barriers. Mach 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The jet just goes right into the clouds, flying through tempests like we don't like rest. Flying fire machine, G-force pushing our beams. Twirl, twirl and twirl back till our hearts can attack that groovy love move. When we make hearts into sound and pink smoke all around. Okay, I'll write a song about something. I just know it's all about the timing. Going EDM by far. 808 saw bass to the floor. Might add some orchestral touches, a voice that's voluptuous, rhyming, contagious. Add some hip hop on the rocks. Funk, clunk, bouncing the thing. We're in it for a ride. Please buckle seatbelts, we'll give demonstration how to jump off this plane, if ever that would entertain. Buckle in the jet. We're passing sound barriers. Mach 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. The jet just goes right into the clouds, flying through tempests like we don't like rest. Flying fire machine, G-force pushing our beams. Twirl, twirl and twirl back till our hearts can attack that groovy love move. When we make hearts into sound and pink smoke all around.